So look, you've got to do it. You see where it's lined up? So this needs to be at the top. So you've got to do it there with that pointing at the top. Yeah. Not yet, hang on, ready?
Which, this one?
The one across.
This one?
Yeah. And you just got to puncture it like that.
Bruh.
Make it bigger than that with your other tooth. Look, it needs to be bigger so you can actually, yeah. Ready? Stop, it's fine. Look, just hold it upright, yeah. Right, ready? Now, as you start drinking, you open it. So look, you got to open it up, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh, it was airy.
Oh
God.
I'm like halfway through the can.
Go on, keep doing it, keep going. You little bitch.
I bet bad and this one's gonna be
Go,
fucking...
keep going. You spilled most of it down your arm. Oh my god. That's not like something came out.
I'll still more.
Keep drinking. What the fuck? Okay. You've been exercising all your demons, they're all gone. They've left you. Keep drinking, bitch. Oh, there's a big one.
Yeah, very big.
Not as big as yours. Hang on. Oh my god. Not as big as yours, that sounds a bit sus. Alright. Bye guys.